It proved that we made a good decision. And making that decision to have people we could reach out to, engage to, really it cut my cost. So if I had had to do this without your team, the secondary cost I was talking about was the staffing, right? I had two really experienced architects working on this primarily. If I didn't have the SmartBear team to fall back on, I would have had to pull in more and more senior engineers to look at this and say, where are we going wrong? Why is this failing? Investigate different pieces of the infrastructure, look at how we built our tests. But having the ability to have these tools, go to you guys, show it to you, share, get that good collaboration. I mean, it probably saved me 3 months of debugging that.